If you find yourself constantly glued to your iPhone, especially before bed, you're not alone. Smartphone addiction is something many of us struggle with, and it's becoming more common every day. Endless scrolling through social media feeds late at night not only disrupts your sleep but also impacts your focus and productivity. One simple but effective way to reduce your screen time at night is by turning on grayscale mode on your iPhone. As highlighted in book Smartphone Nation, removing color from your screen can make your phone less visually stimulating and therefore less addictive. In this video, we will show you how to automate grayscale mode so that it activates every time you turn on Do Not Disturb mode at night. By the end of this guide, your iPhone will be set up to switch grayscale when Do Not Disturb is enabled and automatically return to full color mode when it's turned off. Start by opening the Settings app and tap on Accessibility. Here, find and tap on Display and Text Size option, and from the next page, open Color Filters option. On the next page, turn on Color Filters toggle and make sure Grayscale option is selected. For now, turn off the Color Filters toggle and exit the Settings app. Now launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, and here tap on the Automation button from the bottom bar. Next, tap on the plus button from the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the search bar and search for focus. From the search results, select the focus mode that you usually activate at night before going to sleep. I will select Do Not Disturb as that is the mode that I activate at night. On the next page, select When Turning On option only. A check mark will appear under the option that is selected. Then select the Run Immediately option and turn on the toggle for Notify When Run if you want to be notified when the automation is triggered. Then tap on the Next button from the top. On the next screen, tap on New Blank Automation and search for the keyword Color Filters. From the search results, tap on Set Color Filters option and make sure On action is selected. Tap on the Done button to save the automation. Now we have to create another automation to turn off grayscale when Do Not Disturb is disabled. For this, tap on the plus button again and search for focus. From the results, tap on the same focus mode that you selected previously, and this time make sure to select When Turning Off option. Select Run Immediately and turn on the toggle for Notify When Run if you like. Finally, tap on the Next option to proceed. Once again, search for color filters and add the Set Color Filters action. This time, make sure you tap on where it says On so it converts into off. Tap on the Done button to save the automation. Now turn on Control Center and turn on the focus mode that you selected. As you can see, the grayscale feature has automatically activated and we have been notified about it. Now when I disable the focus mode, the grayscale feature will also get turned off automatically. This is how we can automate grayscale and automatically turn it on whenever Do Not Disturb mode is activated. Disabling this automation is also very simple. If you want to disable this automation, you can return to the Shortcuts app, tap on Automation, and swipe on both of the automations that we have created to delete them. That's it. This is how you can automatically turn on grayscale feature on your iPhone and tie it with the focus mode so that it gets activated at night time. Doing this should help you cut down on smartphone usage at night and improve your sleeping habits. If you found this tutorial helpful, then be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified about our future videos. Thanks for watching.